Hi there, it's Nini again. Today I want to quickly show you how to create a kid's bag. It'd make a nice little present for anyone. Alright, so I'm just going to pop you down over here so you can see my iron. Now, I've bought a $3 bag from Kmart here in Australia. Nice little unicorn bag. I've got my iron-on name here. I'm going to place it on the side up here. So you're going to need your bag that you want to use. You're going to need your iron-on name print, some baking paper, and your household iron. I do have a heat press, but I'm using the iron for today. I find I've got a bit more control over my placement. Alright, so find a place where you want that to sit. I reckon right there looks good. You can cover that with baking paper, and because I don't know if this material is going to melt, I'm going to give it a few quick taps, making sure to not create any extra creases in it. Ooh, see, that can happen. You got caught on the rope. That's all good. Alright, so note that is not melting at all. Now this is a hot peel, so it should be right to peel up now that I've tacked it down a few times. Discard the carrier sheet, place the baking paper back over, making sure everything is nice and flat, and give it a good press down. Gotta be a bit more careful with those ropes, I think. I've got another couple of these to do. So, oh my goodness, I just set it and I ruined it. Right, up. Alright. Peel the carrier sheet off, have a look at it. Yeah. So now I've got a nice little girl's bag with her name on it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you like this sort of content, please like, comment, and or subscribe. That would be great. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.